Hi parents and students. I'm very happy and very excited to show all the students works which we collected the best works from the August month. August month we have the live classes, whatever live classes happens. After the live classes I will review, then I'll give you the feedback for the students. Based on the feedbacks they'll work on, they'll keep improving like this. Whatever the best improvement is happening in the student work, I collected. I'm showing all the works which is belongs to the August month. That's one. This is mainly to get more motivated, not only for students, it's for me also. Okay, the more the students will improve, the more the students will get in the best and the best. So we'll teach all the character sketching method, techniques, principles, process, and all the things. Along with that, we'll train the students also in the soft skills areas, how to do one things one time, how to be patient, how you should develop your skills. This, especially this character sketching skill, is not about just seeing the reference on drawing. We need to build their fundamental right from the start, from the freehand sketching to left right alignment properly, and to draw these characters more nicely, all the things. That's how this will take them into the next level where they can able to draw their own characters, ideas, concepts into the page. This is the travel. In that they are into the intermediate level. So this is how the works looks like. I believe you like it. I strongly believe you like it. If you want to be part of my community and my class, live class, if you or your child also draw a lot of, maybe you or maybe your child or any of you draw more and more anime, manga, this kind of things. This talent name called character sketching, the style called anime, manga, this style. I'm taking free demo classes for this particular area of people. I've given the link in the description. Click the link, join the demo class. Make sure your interest is aligning with my particular class or not. When the interest is aligned, and I will showcase all my sketch works. I will take the demo for you. If everything works, then you can begin the journey, character sketching journey with us. Yeah, we have been successfully, we are training for a lot of students, a lot of people are improving well. Yeah, if you want to improve, you want to take these skills into the next level, and this is the place where you can begin and you can start your journey. Maybe you have some ideas of, maybe once you got improved all the things, maybe you want to get into the design degrees, or like you want to get into any creative field. Sketching is the beautiful, the best talent. Maybe the sketching, if you have it as a natural talent, naturally without anybody help, you start sketching it and all the things. Don't miss it. From now onwards, make the skill become your more stronger in your hand. Yeah, for that you need teacher help, you need mentor, you need community, you need supports. We are there for you to help you. Yeah, click the link below and join the demo class. If it works really well for you, then you can start journey with us. We take classes for age 10 and above as the intermediate level. If the student age is between 7 to 10, we have junior batch also. So you don't worry. Yeah, you can get into any batches. Yeah, click the link below and join the demo class. I'll see you there. Bye bye.